Hello, I am Mia from ALC Com International. Welcome to the second episode of When English is Not Your Mother Tongue. Is there a more fun game to practice good articulation? I doubt not. In this video, repeat the sentences on the screen as fast as you can without tangling your tongue. Are you ready? Let's go. First, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. 3, 2, 1.
Je traduis, je crie, tu cries, nous crions tous pour de la glace.
Second, Willie is really weary. 3, 2, 1.
Willy est vraiment épuisé.
Third, Sam's shop stocks short spotted socks. 3, 2, 1.
La boutique de Sam propose des chaussettes courtes à pois.
You're doing well. Next, think of something pathetic. Anything. 3, 2, 1.
Pensez à quelque chose de pathétique, n'importe quoi.
And the last, 12 twins twirled 12 twins. 3, 2, 1.
12 jumeaux ont fait tournoyer 12 brindilles.
Good job, you did it. You can be proud of yourself. So how did you find this exercise? Very easy? Easy? Moderately easy? Hard? Very hard? Don't hesitate to comment your answer. And we invite you to visit our website www.alccominternational.com to improve your knowledge in English and to be able to use it in your daily life. Before you go, like or share this video to stay connected to our channel and for more exciting tips.